Hello everyone, I hope you are fine and healthy. In this video, I am going to explain about the repeat sentence tips, tricks and strategies. Repeat sentence comes under the speaking section in PTE, and repeat sentence will provide you the marks for the speaking as well as listening section also. It is very much important for the examination point of view. And when you do the repeat sentence in your real test exam, you should maintain the fluency. Fluency means whatever you should speak without mumbling and without fumbling. You should speak smoothly and continuously. And to maintain the fluency in the repeat sentence, you should practice lots. And when you do the practice, then you should write the initial letter of each word in your note copy, then only try to speak. Some students feel difficult and they directly speak without picking up the initial letter of each word. Please never do like that. If you write down the initial letter of each word, then your mind will be able to catch and your mind will be able to relate the computer software. And in this condition, you will never miss any repeat sentence in your real test exam. So, always try to write the initial letter of each word, then only try to speak it. Of course, you can speak directly without picking up the initial letter of each word in your real test exam, but before entering into the real test exam, when you do the practice either at home or in the lab, then you should write the initial letter of each word, then only try to speak. You can see here on the screen repeat sentence tips. You should maintain these tips to get your desired score in your real test exam in PTE. Write initial of first half and speak fluently and clearly. For example, a computer virus destroyed all my files. You can listen this sentence from the audio, and after listening this sentence, you need to write down the initial letter of each word in your note copy. For example, you should write O for O, C for computer, B for virus, D for destroyed, O for all, and remaining in the back, you should not write anything. You just remember in your mind because you have very less time to perform all the activities and you need to speak. If you say full, you will get 3 marks for speaking and 3 marks for listening. If you say half, you will get 2 marks for speaking and 2 marks for listening. Even if you say less than half, you will get 1 marks for speaking and 1 marks for listening. You can say either half or full, no problem, but you should maintain the fluency. And to maintain the fluency, you should practice lots. Let me show you some examples of repeat sentence.
Professor Smith will be late for today's lecture.
Professor Smith will be late for today's lecture.
The circulation desk is located on the ground floor.
The circulation desk is located on the ground floor.
Tutorials are held for 2 hours every Thursday during semester.
Tutorial held every 2 hours during semester.
International students can get help with locating housing near the university.
International students can get help with locating housing near the university.
The student welfare officer can help with questions about exam technique.
The student's welfare officer can help with questions about exam technique.
Most of the students were not able to attend Professor Green's seminar.
Most of the students were not able to attend Professor Green's seminar.
Some of the references in the essay were old and out of date.
Some of the references in the essay are old and out of date.
We will divide the class into 3 discussion groups.
We will divide the class into 3 discussion groups.
Every student in the class passed the exam without trouble.
Every student in the class passed the exam without trouble.
There is more detail in the table on page 5.
There is more detail in the table on the page 5.
You can get to the college by bus, train or car.
You can get the college by bus, train or car.
We should divide the assignment into 3 parts and work together.
We should divide the assignment into 3 parts and work together. In this way, you can do the repeat sentence in your real test exam. Thank you very much.